Hey besties! So, today's video, oh my gosh, what is this? So, today's video is very like chill and random. Actually, it is almost, I don't have my watch with me, I don't have my phone with me, but it is almost 9:30 p.m. at night. But I just want to quickly do like a haul video sebab I baru je balik daripada doing some shopping, and I also have some Shopee stuff yang I beli. So I thought I want to share with you. So this is going to be like super chill and random vlog kind of haul. Okay, yeah, I have no makeup on and I just put some random lipstick. It is a plumping gel lipstick and this is by Catrice. This is very nice, you guys should get it. First thing that I got is toothbrush. This is by the brand Jordan. It is their what is this called, Target Sensitive line. Yang ini kan dia, I suka beli yang macam 3 pack sekali so that I boleh simpan stok. I personally memang suka beli yang banyak-banyak terus sebab I suka simpan stok. I tak nak beli satu-satu. And I always use like ultra soft punya bristles sebab it is more gentle and also dia ada macam flossing effect to your teeth kind of. Anyway, I hope there's nothing on my teeth sebab I baru je lepas makan. The next one is very exciting. I got a sunscreen. This is by Nivea. It is their Super Water 50 Gel. Ini dia ada dekat Jepun je, so you can buy this through Shopee. Okay, I do not understand a thing from this because everything is in Japanese, but I will try to Google it. But I like it because dia water gel, so that means that dia water based punya sunscreen. This is how it looks like. Dia macam Biore punya oil cleanser yang dekat Malaysia kan, tapi this one is by Nivea. I beli harga dia dalam RM50 macam tu. So dia ada stopper dekat depan ni, which is nice. So let's do this. Maybe I should do like this side. So this is how it looks like. Ooh, okay, I like it. Nampak tak? Cepat gila dia meresap. It smells like sunscreen. Oh my god, it is very lightweight. If I'm not mistaken kan, you can use this to all over your body, not only on your face. You can use like face and body punya. This is like a face and body punya sunscreen. Wow, very nice. Okay, I think I'm gonna like it. Sticky super slightly, but wow, dia absorb cepat gila. I really like it. Okay, I tak pakai spek sebab spek I ada blue light. I tak nak reflect ring light tu dekat korang. So kalau I macam ni tu, I'm sorry, I rabun. Okay, next is also from Shopee. This one I tak tahulah, I macam since I start buat kopi sendiri dekat rumah, I've been really into like Starbucks punya tumbler. So I got this one. Look at that, it's so cute. I tak tahulah korang boleh nampak ke tak. Dalam video dia macam lagi terang, but it is actually like a cute pastel punya yellow colour, macam butter. Ya, macam butter ataupun durian. It's very nice. This is the size, if I'm not mistaken, this is 20 lah yang paling besar. Yang ini I pre-order from Shopee. This one is like China punya release tau. So kalau korang nak, I will leave the link down below. I tak sabar nak guna, tapi I sebenarnya macam sayang tu nak guna sebab dia matte. I takut kalau I cuci nanti dia macam jadi kotor. Letak dekat I punya rak je sebab dia cantik sangat. I love it so much. Dua ni daripada Shopee. And the next one is yang I beli tadi. I bawa this bag because I am a sustainable queen. Let's see what we got inside. Okay, first thing yang I beli is from Mr. DIY is this magic sponge. I suka magic sponge ni untuk bersihkan aku punya toilet sebab dia memang betul-betul magic. And ini harga dia dalam RM3.60 kalau tak silap. You guys need to try this. This is a silicone cleaner tau. But you guys, I nak guna ni untuk cuci badan I tak nak guna lufah dah sebab lufah tu dia macam quite harsh for your skin. But I jumpa kat TikTok ada that one girl yang memang I suka tengok dia punya shower talk. Dia guna silicone as her cleanser and oh my gosh, I jumpa ni macam yes I need it. It is so soft. Dua side ada silicone and it's very inexpensive. I rasa harga dia dalam RM3 macam tu from Mr. DIY juga. I tak sabar nak mandi. I beli birthday bunting. So this is colour hitam. Yup, colour hitam. Dia macam ni. This one. Sebab yang lain macam colour gold, colour rose gold. So kalau macam anak lelaki macam tak sesuai sangat lah colour gold. Yang macam suka colour-colour yang muted, yang macam neutral macam tu kan. Okay, and then next one I beli balloons. It's very nice. I think balloon yang panjang tu. And next I beli this party kit. Dia hat, dia ada mask, dia ada balloon, and dia ada apa ni, I tak tahu lah nama dia apa. I tak ingat lah. Macam tube-tube tu kan, which is nice lah for the birthday boy pakai nanti masa birthday. And ni pun I rasa harga dia dalam RM2 je macam tu. And then last one of course foil balloon. Sebab anak I umur dia 5 tahun tahun ni. Oh my gosh, I've been a mother for 5 years. And the last one is a table cover. Okay, this one masa Izara, you guys ingat tak I beli warna pink, and this one warna kuning. It is easy to clean and eco-friendly. So lepas you pakai tu, you boleh buang terus ke. File like white file. Ini dalam ni kita orang nak isi macam all the documents, macam kita orang punya insurance, kita orang punya billing, kita orang punya like receipt, apa semua. Senang nak simpan. If I'm not mistaken, husband I cakap tadi lah kalau I ingat, the white one is for our kids punya insurance, dia punya blah 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 things, and this one is for us. So kita orang nak organize semua sebab sofa memang berterabur. Everything is inside this box. Kita ada box kat sini. I am in the office, so ada box ni. So kalau nak cari, kena punggah semua dalam box ni, which is very very not organized. Oh, banyak gila resit. Okay. Okay, first of all, kalau korang dengar bising, sebab kipas air ni, bilik ni memang bising. I tak tahu nak buat apa, okay. And then my mom nak gamuhu, and I tak tahulah, mungkin sebab sekarang every section dah buka macam stationery punya section kan. I kena beli gamuhu dekat Popular, and yang ada adalah yang paling besar, yang kecil semua dah habis. Okay, this one is exciting. Okay, so sekarang kat Guardian ada 40% off sale tau untuk skincare, like I think all skincare. So I beli, okay, cerita dia macam ni. Produk yang I nak tunjuk ni is cleansing oil. Cleansing oil ni, I kid you not, I rasa dah berapa tahun dah Guardian buat like 50% off sale. I tak pernah jumpa dia dekat atas rak. Sold out. So hari ni I macam saja je lah. I tahu dia akan sold out, tapi you know that I rasa macam, walaupun you tahu benda tu akan soak, tapi you still nak sedapkan hati, you pergi tengok. And guess what? Ada guys, ada. Ini cleansing oil from Hada Labo. Cleansing oil. So yang ini afterlast harga dia, sekejap, harga dia RM35 je. So after 40% off. So before that harga dia dalam, tak silap I, almost RM60. Quite expensive kan. So I dapat finally. And then the second one yang I beli is a moisturizing facial soap by Simple. Actually guna My Clinic punya facial cleanser. Tapi My Clinic punya mahal sangat for me to repurchase. So I try to find something that is not too harsh on my skin. So that's why I beli Simple ni. Sebab dia for sensitive skin. So, kulit I memang sensitif gila. And I dah lalui breakout yang sangat teruk. So I tak nak lalui lagi benda tu. So I beli Simple je. And then I pergi Watson pula. Sebab shampoo I dah habis. Dan shampoo I ada jual dekat Watson je. So shampoo yang I guna is by Diane. And this is the Smooth and Straight shampoo. Yang ini, I memang suka gila shampoo ni. Dah lah wangi. Lepas tu rambut I memang gebu, kepuk-kepuk. I dah try yang lain. I still suka yang ni, yang untuk Smooth and Straight ni. So I dah repurchase banyak kali dah. This is my favourite shampoo. I like it. Beli lagi satu guys, cuci muka. Macam ni, I moisturizer, facial spray, micellar water. I memang guna Icon prebiotic ni. Sebab yang my clinic punya tu, I punya line yang I pakai tu, dia memang more like prebiotic. So I nak guna something yang ada prebiotic inside. Dan masa I masuk dekat Guardian ni, I tak terfikir pasal Icon ni, ataupun maybe dah sold out ke, ataupun tak jual ke, I don't know. And then I masuk Watson, I nampak cuci muka ni, I macam, kau kenapa? Inilah pencuci muka yang kau perlukan sebenarnya. Sebab I dah try, like macam I cakap, I dah try dia punya moisturizer, I dah try dia punya bukan setting spray, face mist, I dah try dia punya micellar water ni, dan dia memang sesuai dengan muka I. Muka I tak ada naik merah-merah ke, dia tak ada irritated ke dekat I punya hidung ke apa. So this line is memang perfect untuk I. And harga dia pun RM12 je. So I belilah. So sekarang I ada 2 face cleansers. So hopefully yang ni sesuai, dan ini pun sesuai dengan I. That is my haul for today. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching, you guys. Hope you guys are doing okay. Stay safe. Get vaccinated, especially if you are in KL and in Klang Valley. You guys can go like walk in right now. So get vaccinated, you guys. We are almost there. Like herd immunity, I know we can get it like maybe end of this year or maybe early next year. So stay safe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.